I love challenge. Actually, one of my friends says I'm a challenge sucker. So I'm putting myself onto a 30-day challenge of Business Booster. I created, I started on the internet with my first website in 1999. So it will be now, okay, well, how many? 20 years of cyber trash that is floating in the internet world. And we have now so many beautiful tools. And the challenge I'm putting myself onto, and actually I have a helper. I hired somebody from Kajabi who will help me to get there faster. But my challenge is to do my part in 30 days. I like to boost my business, and I took 30 days off. And now I'll just invite you to be with me on the journey as I progress every day. And well, we don't know where it really goes, but my goal is to launch a new web presence for my own business. And the 30-day challenge should get me to a place of having everything together, so I can start to introduce you to my new website and all the services that I want to put all together on one place with the help of Kajabi, a creative mind as well. So here it is, day one. I will set up the project structure, and so you can learn with me a little bit. There are 3 tools I'm aware of you can use for project management, and we will see which one I pick. There is Asana, there is Trello, and there is MindMeister. All of them are a little bit different. You can check them out. And because I'm a very structured person, I love to have a structure, visible structure for my projects. And so this is the day one. Tomorrow I'll be here back telling you what's the next step, and maybe you can learn with me. For sure, I will share resources that I'm using that you can then check out and use in your own business. This is all about entrepreneurship, helping you to turn your skills, talents, and gifts into services and utilize the internet to work easier with less effort, generate more revenue, more leads, and have better life. Okay, so this is Mila Lansdowne, and I'll be back. Today is day one, the 30-day challenge. If you have any comments, questions, please let me know. I love to know what challenges you are facing on the business part of the internet. And I'm here to help you. I can learn and I can teach. So this is what I love to do. Have a great day. Take care.